Cat grass is any grass that is grown specifically for cats, usually indoors. It may be grown in a dish from which the cat chews the grass directly, or just added to cat food. The most common stated benefit is to aid the passing of hairballs. Eating grass is a natural behavior for cats. In the wild, these felines eat grass in order to regurgitate parts of their prey that they haven't been able to digest. As well as an aid for digestion, cat grass has a number of other benefits, including providing your kitty with minerals and vitamins. Cat grass is relatively easy to grow. You'll need a small shallow container such as a pot, plant, seeds, soil, and water. Fill the container with 2/3 soil, then scatter the seeds and add the last 1/3 soil. Finally, add water. Put the pot in a sunny area. The grass should start to sprout in a few days and will be ready for your cat to eat around 2 weeks or when it is about 3 to 4 inches tall. Make sure to water your cat grass about twice a week. The most common species sold for this purpose is oatgrass. Other suitable species often mentioned are barleygrass, wheatgrass, intermediate wheatgrass, and ryegrass, and occasionally orchid grass. As well as being a tasty treat for your cat, catgrass has a number of health benefits. It is full of nutrients and vitamins, including vitamins A and D. Catgrass also contains folic acid, which helps produce hemoglobin to carry oxygen around the body, and chlorophyll, which helps relieve pain, heals infections, and acts as a breath freshener. This leafy green also helps with digestion. It not only acts as a laxative pushing out hairballs, but it helps cats rid their stomachs of undigested bits of food when they vomit it up.